This video was supposed to come out like 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago. Oh, I am so late, but here we are. I am going to show you how I do this twist out, okay? So I put this Even NYC leave-in cream in. It had my hair feeling all soft and everything. So I like to work in sections. Started off with the back, and I just use my spray bottle water, use my detangling brush, and I just keep applying the product. My hands were so slippery and I just could not pump this, but as you see, I had to really squeeze it out. When I tell y'all, it's been a minute since I even did my hair, but I'm so happy that I washed it because I had to do something with it. We're about to add the curl definer cream, and I'm just doing a regular twist out, nothing too special. I just wanted to keep it simple, but I also wanted my hair to be stretched out because I've been doing a lot of wash and goes recently, and it's not given. Yeah, you know, wash and goes it's okay for me, but I'm tired of having my hair all tangled in single strand knots at the end, so I just really wanted to do a simple twist out. So with any hairstyle I do, I work in 4 sections, and then per section I like to do the back first, and so I am on the first section. So when I tell you my hair has grew, it has definitely grew. I really can't really notice it until I actually start filming, but my hair be out the frame, so I really need to push this camera a little bit back so I can see all of it, because when my hair is stretched out, man, when I tell you, the growth is growthing.
Hold you down and give it up. I used to wanna be the one you chose, but now I feel alone. Well, you hear it go, though I won't be mistreated. All that lying and back and forth, she got a girl feeling seasick. Yeah, you text me you love me, but how many others received it? Used to have me wrapped around your finger, now I don't need you. You lost out on a keeper.
Talk to you through trouble and famine. Natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling.
Since I haven't did my hair in a while, I noticed something. Eyes are tired. I was tired, y'all. I was like, come on, man, this is how long it really takes to do my hair. But I was like, okay, we're going to get this. We're going to get through, okay? And look at me. I'm almost done. I have 1 section left. Okay, so as you see, all I'm doing is just keep on repeating the steps. Now, I will tell you one thing. It is so easier to do your hair in sections. People be asking me, how do you get, how do you have the patience? You really just got to take your time and don't think about the process. Because when you think about the process, I'm telling you, it goes so slow. So just like, put other things on your mind, distract yourself from what you're doing, zone out a little bit, listen to some music, and I'm telling you, you will get through. Here I am 2 days later. Yep, I did sleep in these, I worked out in these, and I did a whole lot of in these. Okay, I'm still getting over this little sickness thing going on. I don't know what the heck. I had lost my voice, so I know my voice sounds a little bit funny, but it's alright. Yeah, I did sound a little bit funny, but anyways, yeah, I'm using this Kaleidoscope, the Brat, shine spray to take out my hair. My elbows were a little bit ashy, so I had to put some on there anyway. But yeah, look at this though. I mean, the takedown was so easy, and my hair felt so moisturized. It was soft. I mean, I'm just loving my hair right now, because I'm like, okay, I know my hair did not just do this. It did.
Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, baby. Who would have thought I'd get you? And I'll take some time.
I ain't even gotta say much. All y'all gotta do is just look at it. Look at it right there. I actually thought about leaving it like this. I really did. But something in me said, nah, just go ahead and put that volume in here. Go ahead and separate them curls. And sometimes when I separate the curls, I am a little bit afraid that it's going to become like all frizzy, because you really don't know truly how it's going to look until you separate them curls. But every time I separate my curls, I'm like, okay, this is exactly why I always separate my curls. I mean, like, come on.
You. Oh yeah, baby. Ooh.
the definition still there, okay? And this is after separating my curl. Now what we're about to do is we're about to add some definition, okay? So you already know I got my little pick right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start from my roots and just start really just kind of shaping it up, because you want that perfect shape. As you see, it's automatically starting to get that volume.
Same damn thing. Got niggas paying top dollar at a parlor. Talking about that pretty brown frame. And I don't mean the Impala that you just hopped out of. Go on about your business.
When it's time to pick my hair, when I find like little pieces like this, I just separate, because every curl doesn't need to be actually separated, but you want to get it enough to where you actually add some shape to your hair and some volume. And so that's definitely what I did. And as you see, I just be flipping my head. And so as I flipped my head, I was like, I think I want a deep side part. Like, I live for that deep side part. So I'm like over here playing with it just to kind of see how I want it to be. And I'm like, you know, I think this is how I want it to be.
They don't have a clue, but they don't reach you like I do. You don't need champagne. You'd rather be held tight.
Now to slick down my side, I am using this Shine and Jam Magic Fingers. I bought it myself, y'all. I bought it myself for $20. This thing be $20, but I love it. Like, ain't a lot that I actually like braiding gel, but this one right here be having me laid. And I love to use it on my kids' hair, my husband's hair when I be braiding. But anyway, moving on, I am adding some bobby pins. I am adding bobby pins wherever I need to add them so it can create the shape that I'm looking for.
So wake up and grab it, then started treating me average. I dealt with you in your bag, it's tragic. Had you a queen, but you wanted a ratchet. Wanted me to stay home while you live it up. Held you down, I ain't give it up. I used to wanna be...
At the end of every hairstyle, not every hairstyle, but some of my hairstyles, I do like to add some like hairspray to it. And this is hold my hair for a little bit, because y'all know how your hair be going out of place when the wind blows, and you know how it be. Our hair just be moving with the wind, and I just wanted to stay a bit still this time, okay? So I just add a little bit of this flexible hairspray by Even NYC, and look at the results. I love my hair. I'm so happy I finally did something to myself. I was looking a little bit ratchet, okay? But here we are, looking good as ever.